As far as I remember, I always wanted to become a researcher. I wanted to cure diseases and help find new treatments. I wanted to be good for humanity. I did not know at what cost.
Oh, and another thing. He doesn't take to the flavored toxins, just force it down throat. Don't worry, it's only a dog, not a human. Doesn't have any consciousness. Won't remember a thing.
Okay, it is done.
That's what I like to hear. Good. Set up for the next one.
This is the story of Riley. Riley's only contact with other dogs was with Molly, the beagle in the cage next to him. He must have known that the things we were doing to him and Molly, that they could be next. I took Riley to an animal sanctuary, far, far away from the laboratory. This was the first time that Riley was ever outside. And the first time he ever felt the sunlight. Hey, I'm told that you are a breed. This is the beagle from the lab.
I so cute. Poor little thing. Thank you. Thank you for bringing him here.
Would you like me to help you take him inside?
Oh, man, that'd be great. Here, come on.
I didn't know what to do with my life after I quit the work as a lab assistant. I thought I would start by volunteering for the animal sanctuary. Riley.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Don't worry, Peter. Oh, he can run through the whole farm. He's got the run of the farm. And you know what? Before you know it, he's going to be eating.
I worried Riley wouldn't come back from the state of fear of being mistreated for so long. He would often refuse to eat food and drink water. I started to notice strange behaviors in Riley when I would clean the sanctuary. He would become irate and agitated. The chemical in the cleaner was the same chemical we used in our testing at the lab.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's lecture. We'll be talking about post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD that can be developed in animals.
So, are you saying that people conducted these experiments on animals because they believe they don't have a consciousness?
Correct.
Nothing really seemed to cheer the poor guy up. So one day, I tried out something doctors suggest for human patients with PTSD. Music therapy. Once Riley heard that guitar, he knew immediately that he had some real talent as a singer.
Like that? Yeah?
Even with our off-key band moments we shared, it was becoming a lasting friendship. Riley almost did not seem to be the same old sad dog from the lab anymore. Riley was so playful at times that you would think that he was still a puppy. I think Riley wanted to catch up on all the lost time in the lab. Even though Riley seemed to improve a lot, I couldn't help but thinking that he was missing something. I knew I had to do what was right.
Yeah.
The laboratory was operating under extremely cruel conditions. It only took one call and a few photos to shut down the lab.
All that because of the damn monkey?
Hey, girl. I'm so sorry I didn't save you earlier. I will never forget the look on Riley's face when I brought back his old buddy from the laboratory. Molly.